Let's get one thing straight right out of the gate. Surviving what happened to you was heroic, but surviving is not the same thing as living. No one ever told you that true healing isn't about endlessly reliving your old stories. It's about reclaiming your choices and your agency and your capacity for joy. My name is Julie. Do whatever you need to get comfortable. Grab a glass of water, wrap a blanket around your shoulders, no pressure. Take what serves you and leave the rest behind. As Oscar Wilde famously noted, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. When we've been through trauma, we often lose touch with who we actually are beneath the armor, the triggers and the hypervigilance. Today, we aren't just patching up old wounds, we're stepping back into the driver's seat of your life. Let's begin. In ascetic traditions and timeless parables, the quest for fulfillment strips away external illusions to reveal what genuinely sustains a human life. The journey of Buddha, born into absolute luxury. Siddhartha realized that material wealth and sensory indulgence could never cure the underlying ache of the human condition. True peace wasn't found in extremes, but in the middle path of awareness, presence, and non-attachment. The folly of King Midas. The king wished for everything he touched to turn to gold, only to discover the cold, lifeless treasure cannot sustain a human heart. When his food and his loved ones turned to metal, he learned that true wealth is found in connection, love, and experience. The giving tree, sheltering a boy from childhood to old age. The tree gave away her branches, her apples, and her trunk until she was nothing more than a stump offering a place to rest. Through selfless love, she found peace, realizing that us loving and giving deeply are the key to the human spirit. What do these stories all share? They remind us that happiness isn't about acquiring more status or running from our past. It's about aligning with what genuinely nourishes the soul. If you think that simply telling your trauma story over and over will heal you, you're mistaken. Trauma has its place. Making a career out of reliving your worst days only keeps your nervous system trapped in a loop. You don't live in the past anymore. To anchor ourselves in the present, we use the wheel of life as a framework, dating back to ancient Mesopotamia. If the ancients could figure out how to build functional wheels, we can certainly use this tool to check our balance of our own lives across key areas: health, physical and mental, career, purpose and growth, finances, stability and security, relationships, connection and support, personal growth, learning and self-awareness, fun, play, joy, and lightheartedness, spirituality, connecting to the meaning and the broader world, environment, a safe, nurturing physical space. When trauma freezes us in time, our wheel goes flat. Today, we re-inflate it. Find a stable, upright seat. Let your feet rest heavily on the floor, making contact with a solid surface. Keep your eyes open with a soft, neutral gaze downward, or close them if your internal environment feels secure. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale completely through your mouth, letting your shoulders drop away from your ears. Notice the present moment. You have survived every hard day that came before this one. Let that reality settle into your bones. Bring your attention to the singular, reliable anchor, the steady rhythm of your breathing. With every inhale, Draw in fresh perspective with every exhale. Let go of the exhausting pressure to have it all figured out right now. Take one final anchoring breath. When you're ready, open your eye. You have journeyed through the heavy shadows, looked your somatic armor in the eye, and taken back the steering wheel of your mind. Reclaiming your life isn't a destination, it's a daily practice of choosing yourself. Thank you for trusting this process, for showing up for yourself, and for completing this transformative series. You are whole, you are capable, and your future is entirely yours to shape. This marks the completion of the series.